Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Welcome back to online learning. In last class, we learned 3D shapes and its properties. Today, we are going to first recall 3D shapes. What are the 3D shapes? Firstly, cube. Secondly, cuboid. Thirdly, cone. Fourthly, cylinder. Fifthly, sphere. Just listen, the cube is introduce itself and telling faces.
I am cube. I has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. I am a cube.
Cuboid.
Hi, I am cuboid. I has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. I am a cuboid.
Thirdly, we are going to see a cone.
Hi, I am a cone. I has 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertex. I am a cone.
Fourthly, we are going to see cylinder.
Hi, I am a cylinder. I has 3 faces, 2 edges, 0 vertices.
Fifthly, we are going to see sphere.
Hi, I am a sphere. I has 1 face, 1 edge, 0 vertices. I am a sphere.
Children, did you recall that faces, edges and vertices? Now we are going to see the new lesson, geometry, rotations. What is rotations? We are going to see now rotations. Children, repeat with me. A rotation is repeat children. A rotation is a transformation that turns a figure about a fixed point called the center of rotation. An object and its rotations are the same shape and size, but the figures may be turned in different directions. Rotations may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now we are going to see the turns. Firstly, we are going to see 1 by 4th turn. Let's look at the car when it just in the center of the circle. It turns 1 by 4. The car is the same shape, same. It just turning 1 by 4th turn from your right side. Next, we are going to see half a turn, 3 by 4th turn. Look at the car turning. Okay, the first it turns, what turn? 1 by 4. The upside down is called half a turn. The 3 by 4th is just opposite to 1 by 4th turn. The full turn, when the car rotates, it gets same position before it turns. It finishes full turn. Children, we are going to see an activity. Draw a circle and mark a center point as a O and stick 4 pictures on it. Any 4 picture as you wish. Keep a point at the center and you rotate from your right side 1 by 4th turn. When you rotate the picture, what it happens? It's just changing the shape or position. No, it's just changing its directions. We are going to see half a turn, 1 by 2. When you turn 1 by 4, what it happens? Again you rotate from the right direction, 1 rotation. You will get half a turn. Children, we are going to see what is a rotation. Children, look at here. When we rotate, the shapes are rotated. The images are rotated depending on the point. There is a point. The point is called the center of point, the midpoint. It called as the center of point. Now let's see the rotation of the square. Draw a square and write A, B, C, D. When you rotate a square A, B, C, D, just turn the shape, turn its direction. AB become a right side AB, BC become down BC, and CD become on left side, DA become on top. When you rotate this again into half a turn, what it will happen? It's just changing its directions. Look at here. What will happen? See, DA on top, it comes as your right side DA. AB on down, CB on right side, CD on top. These direction must changing in that square. Let's see that examples. Now among the following shapes find out which one would look the same after 1/4 a turn. Put a tick. Children, look at the images. What will come? What are the answers, children? A flower, circle, and plus symbol. Put a tick on it. When you turn 1/4, it comes same the shape and direction. Let's see half a turn. Among the following letters, find out which one would look same after half a turn. There are the letters are given X, H, A, N, B, O, J, I, D, S. X, the answer H, O, I. These are the answers. Children, find out that which three numbers will look same after on a turn. Children, guess the answer. How the following numbers are changed after 1/half a turn. Fill the answers. Now we are going to recall about rotations. Rotation. A rotation turns a shape. Whenever a rotation occurs, the figure must always stay the same size and the same shape. It is only turned. Rotations are same. Look at the real life rotation. I hope you understand this lesson, turns and rotations. Until we will meet in the next lesson, thank you children. Bye.